Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of physiotherapy, a profession that has been helping people around the globe to achieve optimal health and well-being for centuries. Let's start with the history of physiotherapy. The profession has its roots in World War I, where physical therapists played a crucial role in rehabilitating soldiers who were injured during the war. The first professional association of physical therapists was formed in the United States in 1921, and it was called the American Women's Physical Therapeutic Association. The association was led by President Mary McMillan, who was a pioneer in the field of physiotherapy. As we move forward in time, we see that World War II also had a significant impact on the development of physiotherapy. The war created a huge demand for physical therapists, and the profession began to grow rapidly. The American Physiotherapy Association, which was formed in the 1930s, saw its membership swell to over 8,000, and the number of physical therapy education programs across the U.S. increased from 16 to 39. Now, let's talk about what physiotherapy is all about. Physiotherapists, also known as physical therapists, are healthcare professionals who specialize in helping people to develop, maintain, and restore their maximum movement and functional ability. They work with people of all ages, from children to older adults, and help them to overcome a wide range of health conditions, including injuries, diseases, and disabilities. Physiotherapists use a variety of techniques, including exercise, manual therapy, and education, to help their patients achieve their goals. They work in a variety of settings, including hospitals, clinics, community centers, and private practices. They also work in collaboration with other healthcare professionals, such as doctors, nurses, and occupational therapists, to provide comprehensive care to their patients. One of the key aspects of physiotherapy is its focus on prevention. Physiotherapists believe that prevention is better than cure, and they work with their patients to identify and address potential health problems before they become major issues. They also educate their patients on how to maintain a healthy lifestyle, including how to exercise safely, how to manage stress, and how to prevent injuries. Physiotherapists also play a critical role in promoting health and well-being in their communities. They work with community groups, schools, and other organizations to promote physical activity, healthy living, and disease prevention. They also advocate for policies and programs that support the health and well-being of their communities. Now, let's talk about the scope of physiotherapy practice. Physiotherapists are trained to work in a wide range of settings, including hospitals, clinics, community centers, and private practices. They work with patients who have a variety of health conditions, including musculoskeletal injuries, neurological disorders, cardiovascular diseases, and respiratory conditions. Physiotherapists are also trained to work with patients who have complex health needs, such as those who have multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, or spinal cord injuries. They use a variety of techniques, including exercise, manual therapy, and education, to help their patients achieve their goals. In addition to working with patients, physiotherapists also play a critical role in educating and mentoring students, as well as other healthcare professionals. They teach students about the principles of physiotherapy, including anatomy, physiology, and biomechanics. They also mentor students and other healthcare professionals, providing them with guidance and support as they develop their skills and knowledge. Physiotherapists are also involved in research, where they investigate the effectiveness of different treatments and interventions. They use the results of their research to inform their practice, and to develop new and innovative treatments for their patients. Finally, let's talk about the boundaries of professional competence and making referrals. Physiotherapists are trained to work within their scope of practice, and to recognize when a patient needs to be referred to another healthcare professional. They work collaboratively with other healthcare professionals, such as doctors, nurses, and occupational therapists, to provide comprehensive care to their patients. In conclusion, physiotherapy is a dynamic and rewarding profession that has a rich history and a bright future. Physiotherapists play a critical role in helping people to achieve optimal health and well-being, and they work in a wide range of settings, including hospitals, clinics, community centers, and private practices.